Hi everyone, welcome back to another weekly outlook. I'm uploading this quite late as usual, but I hope you will able to manage this. So let's just jump on to the weekly outlook with our news this week. So on Monday we can see we have no such big news or even any news, just a bank holiday, which means considering this it can be a low probability week for Forex market. Okay, so it doesn't mean you're not going to look for setup. It's all up to your personal strategy because when you got the idea of should you be trading a certain day or not just because of news or not, first try to collect data on that. Just don't try to follow any random guy on X just so that you know you're just going to trade that or not. So I would say I trade every day unless I have a good setup forming on the market. Okay, for Nasdaq, if there's no news, I expect 9:30 to do a little bit of manipulation and then it do its job. So something I would be looking forward to on Tuesday. But yes, on apart from Nasdaq and Bitcoin, I would be looking forward to the Monday to form its range and decide what I will be doing for the rest of the week. So Monday is going to be important day to watch out in the forex market to plan my entire week. Now on Tuesday we got a news on ISM manufacturing PMI. So it's a trading day, good day. Wednesday, we also get the news. Thursday, we also have the news, which is unemployment claim, ISM, service, PMI. On Friday, we have the NFP. Okay. So it's a really, really important day to trade off. Make sure you don't trade the news that time unless you are trying to pass some evaluation with managed risk or something, which is different. But yeah, but don't try this on your funded account. Just try to gamble it. Okay. I hope you understand. You guys are really smart. Now, the news is clear. We just have one day with no news apart. Every day is a good trading day with terms of news. Now let's jump into the charts and try to understand the market. So I'll jump with Nasdaq here. Okay, so I will start off with Nasdaq because recently I've been trading this a lot because I do love the price action. Here we can see if let's start with monthly because we just had a monthly close and guys, the last 4 months of the year is here and the next month, next opportunity, just make sure you follow your discipline, you follow your risk management and work on it. Okay, don't try to gamble, don't try to chase trades. Let the trade come to you and just write it. Okay, and yeah, now let's go into this first. So we can see we swept this previous candle's high, not a big deal, right? So here now we had in such an expansion move to the upside almost. If you look at the bottom, from bottom to top, it's 46% without any single red candle. Well, here if you look at the weekly candle POIs, we can definitely see this weekly, oh sorry, monthly fair value gap here. Do looks really good if the price can come back and retrace back into the next coming months. And if you look at the daily time frame, okay, which does kind of confirm this shit. Here we can see we got an SMT with this, okay. Now we are in between a range of fair value gaps, okay. So it's your bearish SMT, really good to look forward to, okay. Now here you have a bullish fair value gap. Now here itself we have a change in state of delivery with the candle, which is quite amazing for the price to go lower for the entire week. So we can be targeting this low and then this low. So let's try to understand this week. Next week the target is going to be this low because of maybe this IFVG over here. Okay, we just disrespected this and now we are at this daily fair value gap. So it's between a range, but of course we had some nice bearish confirmation for Nasdaq to go lower, right? So you can be looking for shots till this low, and yeah, of course you have to plan out based on every day. It's not that you will not get off with longs, but yes, if you look at the overall bias for the week, it's going to be bearish. I do expect the market to do a little bit of retracement. Even if you look at the weekly candle, it's not looking that amazing, right? And the first very scalping target is going to be the previous week low here. Okay, now let's just take a quick look on SPX and everything. So again, SPX has this high being taken, okay, and we can expect it to go even more bearish than Nasdaq. Okay, here we also have this change in share delivery. US30 being a little strong, okay, but I have no complaints. We can even take out this high and then we can go lower. It's pretty obvious. Okay, so If you're trying to chase shorts, you can try chasing shorts in Nasdaq or SPX, and if you're trying longs, you can be trying it on YM, depending upon what time frame or what trade it offers you that day. Okay, now let's go on to the DXY. Okay, DXY, we had some clean analysis, and if you look at the monthly candle over here, which took out the previous month's candle's high, we had a bearish candle close for the month, so it's quite bearish. And I do expect the market to come back to this low, then, and the target is going to be this low for the entire month. Okay, this is going to be the target for the month. If I look at on the weekly time frame, we can see we were having a kind of chop environment for a very good time. And I don't know why people say August is a bad period. Maybe because of this. And I do accept a little bit that the market on Forex was a little bit sideways, not an expansion market, but always there is good trading opportunity. You just need to understand when it is a low probability and when it is a high probability. All right, now here we had this. So I do expect the market to go lower for the next week. First target this low, second target this low. Okay. And if you look at the daily, we have been some clean price action, no issues with that. SMT, changing state of delivery, displacement. We have been chopping. You can say this is your first or second accumulation range for the market maker sell model. And yeah, let's just see the market going lower. And goes with euro. I do expect the market to finally start moving something good in September. And we can be looking forward to this high and this high moving forward. So that's a nice target. And on H4, if I look, you just have to wait a little. We are at the H4 fair value gap, so you know how to trade and frame trades based on that. Now going into GBP USDT, so you are having SMT, you can check that too. Let me check 4 hours. So yeah, there could be some potential SMT, then maybe it can go higher. Now here on the weekly time frame, it's look quite amazing. We had an equal lows over here with an SMT, and then it's your change in state of delivery. So far we have been holding it pretty decently, and yeah, I do expect the market to go higher for GBP2. Likewise, it's DXY is bearish. We do expect the euro and GBP and all the other XUSD pairs to go higher. Right, now let's go over XAU. Finally, after a very long time, we are finally seeing some good price action and displacements on gold, which is quite amazing to see. I haven't been trading gold recently, but looking at the price action, I might be trading this in September and maybe the next coming months. Okay, so here if you look at this simple price action, we had this weekly fair value gap, which can be working as an IRL to ER play. Since it was a very big chop month, if you look at the monthly candle, it closed quite bullish comparing to the last 3 months, right? So now I do expect the market to take out these highs, but it's not like we're going straight to that. Potentially it could happen, but yeah, you just have to wait. Now if you look at the weekly candle here, this is your weekly order block, right? A single bearish candle in an uptrend, known as an order block. Now if I look at a daily time frame, uh, okay, you just have to wait for the market to come and give you some good retracement, and you can be looking for swing longs or maybe longs on intraday. Just wait for the retracements anywhere, maybe on the 4 hour fair value gap, or anywhere depending on the strength with and the SMT with silver, you can be looking for longs. So it's quite good. But yeah, it's not framing you any good setup just on Monday. You just have to wait for the price action to offer you the structure to take the setup. Okay. Now going into the Bitcoin, it's quite, I would say it's not looking good in simple words. Okay. We have in this range high over here. We have in this range low over here. So now this is the range. This is the previous range. This was the current range. Let's be real. Okay. As I told you here, if you remember, if you watched my last weekly outlook video, I told you I'm bearish here and we just fucking dumped how much? Almost 8-9% from that area. So it's never about how the price or what the price is. It's all about what technicals are telling you, what the chart is telling you, and how do you react to it. Okay. So if you look at this area, it's very simple for the market to understand. Okay, we may go lower. It's just accept the fact. Okay, just it's because it's crypto. It's not like you don't short it. Okay, so now let's look at the certain POI where the market can go into. So here, if you look at it, this looks like a nice daily fair value gap having some liquidities and imbalances. So and we have formed an imbalance too. So maybe some retracement back higher, and then you can be looking forward to this low coming next week. So that sounds like a plan. If it does come to this area, that is a decent area for market even to form a bottom. Well, that's a different case here. You just need to go back to this range high to actually start going higher. Unless if we hold here, that's good, or otherwise we can be going lower and take out this low and then go higher. Anything could happen, right? So it's just that you approach to level. For now, bearish plan looks the best till this low, and then we can go higher, or once we flip this, you can be looking for longs. Very simple plan. Okay. Now in Ethereum, it's been quite bullish, no doubt about it. So again, if you really want to take longs, you can be looking for longs on uh, altcoin or Ethereum, which are the strong pairs. And if you're looking for shorts, it's simple Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin has been really bearish, and if you look at the H4, I do like this H4 supply candle to be held. Or otherwise, if you want to, you are just a strong believer, then wait for this market structure shift over here to send the price higher. Very simple thing. Okay, so I think I have covered almost everything. I've covered DXY, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Euro, GBP, and XAU, Nasdaq, SPX, and US30. So I think this is enough. It's 1 p.m. AM. You can see I'm recording this video. I'm just uploading it right now. So if you're still watching this video, make sure you drop the comment so that I can know who are the last one who is still watching this video. So that would be amazing to see. Till the time, goodbye, signing off. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Have a good day. And all the best for September. I know you will smash it. Just make sure you follow the risk management and have the faith in your analysis. Good day.